The neutral grip dumbbell weighted pull-up is an advanced pull-up progression once bodyweight pull-ups become too easy. This is an excellent way to continue strengthening the back. To use the dumbbell as resistance, you can hold the dumbbell between your thighs or ankles. Try both ways to see which is more comfortable for you. If you have access to a weight belt with a chain, you can also use a weight plate. To get started, hold the dumbbell tightly between your thighs or your ankles. Then hop up to grip the handles of the pull-up bar with the palms facing in neutral grip. As you hang at arm's length, focus on keeping your abs tight. Then contract your lats and think about pulling your elbows down to pull your chest to the bar while getting your chin over the bar. Pause, then under control, slowly lower your body by fully extending your arms back to the starting position. If you feel the dumbbell is slipping out from your thighs or ankles, you can also cross your feet to help increase the strength of the squeeze to keep the dumbbell in place. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.